Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for January 17. The Labour and Social Security Ministry will be doing a pre-selection exercise for the Canadian Farm Work Programme to ensure a pool of suitable workers will be readily available when overseas employers submit their requests. In a statement to Parliament on Tuesday, the Portfolio Minister Derek Kelly said recruiting teams from the ministry will be travelling to 4 strategic locations island-wide between March 4 and 15 to conduct interviews. Members of Parliament and councillors will be provided with forms for distribution to potential candidates in their respective constituencies and divisions. Minister Kelly says a point system will be introduced in all 63 constituencies to ensure that only the most suitable candidates are selected for the program.
Each of these constituencies will start with a maximum number of points corresponding to the total number of forms allocated to the respective constituency. If it is found that persons recommended from constituencies go absent without leave, AWOLs, or breach any of the program rules, then the number of forms issued to these constituencies at the next pre-selection exercise will be reduced.
In addition, candidates will have to undergo security checks. They'll also be asked to complete a medical exam. Regional integration should be welcomed as a lucrative avenue to advance national development. That's the word from Transport, Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies. He was speaking Wednesday evening at the launch of Fly Jamaica Airways.
In too many cases, our discussions about regional integration can be seen as pie in the sky. I've always maintained that there are enough substantive issues on which the region can cooperate, but too seldom we focus on and seek to develop them.
The country's newest carrier, Fly Jamaica, is owned by private interests in Jamaica and Guyana. It will operate 4 flights weekly to New York, Toronto and Guyana, with the first scheduled for New York on January 25. Dr. Davies welcomed the initiative, saying it was an example of how developing countries could collaborate to encourage investment, create jobs and stimulate economic growth. The Child Development Agency CDA is looking to increase the number of children getting assistance through its Living in Family Environment LIFE program. LIFE is one of several strategies to reduce the number of children in state-run homes by placing them with families.
This year, for 2013, the agency plans to continue the push to significantly increase the number of children in the LIFE program, and also to intensify our outreach to families and communities to engage parents and potential foster parents in the effort to provide stability in the lives of the nation's children.
As of September 2012, the number of children in state care totaled 5,226. Of that number, 3,005 are in the LIFE program. Meanwhile, Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna says plans are in train to offer extracurricular activities to children in remand facilities as part of measures to see to their holistic care.
Art therapy, music therapy, the kind of therapeutic behavioral modification and counseling.
The Youth Minister says that in addition to offering life skills and cultural classes, attention is also being paid to improving and extending formal education and skills training for children in correctional centers. The Portia Simpson Miller-led administration has reiterated its steadfast commitment to the development of the nation through education.
After paying the debts that are due, education gets pride of place. And surely, given the asperities of the times and the aspirations of all our people, it is of signal importance that we should use all that we get in the most efficient way possible.
Education Minister Ronald Thwaites was speaking on Sunday at a joint graduation put on by the Central Connecticut State University, Sam Sharp Teachers College and Mico University College. And finally, the Women's Center Foundation has been given a renovated and fully furnished computer lab equipped with 20 new computers. The $3.5 million facility was financed by the Universal Service Fund to enhance the educational and employment outcomes for at-risk adolescent females and males in the corporate area. Director of the Women's Center, Beryl Ware, says it will be a useful tool for those seeking to complete their high school education and sit CSEC exams.
We had a lab that was really in need of fixing up and some really slow computers. But I want to stress here that how you care for these computers will also help us to have it for the ones who will come after you.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.